How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can repair your damaged car, a couple of ways that you can repair your damaged car on GTA 5 Online. So first method that you're going to want to do, or let me just show you this. As you can see, I was beating on my car pretty badly there. There are some scratches, there are some dents. And so basically what you're going to want to do is, first method, you can, if you have a garage, you can go ahead and just take it to your garage. All right, so yeah, that first method, as you can see, bringing it back to my garage, and as you can see here, let's just show it here. And it shows it right here, but we'll walk around the car in just a second. But there are no longer any dents or scratches. Let's see here, and I do believe that you can do this as long as you have, I think, around $1,000 in your bank account. But this will always work. You can bring your vehicle in here when it's all damaged, and as you can see now, once I brought it back to my garage, it is fixed. Another way that you can do that is by changing or going to another session. So what you would do is you would press the menu button and go to online, and then you would go down to find new session, and you can click on that. And the reason why that works is because when you're switching to a new server or a new session, your vehicle will automatically go back to your garage. So whatever you spawn in, you can just have that vehicle brought to you with a mechanic, like I showed in a previous video. So that is the second option. Now there is a third option, and what you're going to do is, and another the third and last option that you have is to bring it to a custom, Los Santos Customs, or any of these body repair shops like this. Now sometimes there are lines if there's already somebody in there, which it doesn't appear that there are, but this will also cost you some money to fix. But yeah, you'll just bring it in here. You'll just go ahead and bring it in here, and there is an option in here to repair your vehicle. So depending on your damages, mine right here is only $160. I do believe that it will range. Depending on how bad the damages are. But you can go ahead and do that. It will repair the body and engine service. So I'll go ahead and do that. And so as you can see now, it is fully repaired. Those are just 3 methods that you can do to repair your vehicle. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.